Welcome to the Bentley Systems training course where you will learn how to design steel connections using RAM Connection Standalone. RAM Connection Standalone is used for the design and detailing of steel connections. It can design individual shear, moment, brace, splice, and truss connection types to a variety of different steel design codes. In this particular video, we're going to be focusing on the workflow for assigning a double angle splice connection to a beam splice joint within RAM connection. This type of joint is capable of resisting shear reactions. We will now turn our attention to our sample model in our RAM Connection Standalone application. And as you can see, I've already selected joint number 8, which is a typical beam splice joint. It has an I-shaped section for both the left and right beam, and it has a shear reaction imposed upon it. For this exercise, I'm going to be assigning a smart double angle beam splice connection template to this joint. Now this type of template is only available as a smart connection design. So I'm going to go to the assign icon, go to the smart connection, and the beam splices are kind of towards the bottom of this list. So let me go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to find the smart DA beam splice option. So let me go ahead and click on that and click close, and I can see that a beam splice has now been successfully assigned. Now to get more information, I can go to the connection pad by clicking on the edit icon and then tell the program I want to edit the shear connection. Let me go ahead and scroll down and take a look at some of the parameters that I can customize. First of all, it's going to put both the beam top flanges at the same elevation, but I can change that if I would like to do more of a centered members approach. Let me go ahead and unselect that. And I can also customize the connector information and the fastening for both the left side and the right side beam. Here you can see that I went for a bolted connection by default, but I can also change that to a welded connection if I would prefer. In addition to that, I can also review the detailing of this connection by looking at the DXF view, and I can review the steel connection report. Within this report, I can see the geometric considerations and the design checks that were performed along with their status. If I would like some additional information, I can click on the View Formulas icon to see the formulas and variables that were used to arrive at these results. Now at this point, I'm satisfied with the initial connection design for this joint, so I'm just going to go ahead and close out of the connection pad. There's no need to save any changes because I went with the default connection configuration. At this point, I can save my model in RAM Connection Standalone, and this concludes my process for assigning a double angle beam splice connection template within RAM Connection Standalone.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.